welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go see if we can find some stuff this morning. Got a semi-empty truck. Got a couple totes back there. Flipped over spare tire. I've been stuck at home the last few days. The kids have had virtual school, so I haven't got to do any scrapping. So, and it's real early in the day. It's snowing a little bit and it's supposed to get worse, so I'm gonna go now, see if I can find anything. So I don't know. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. I'm just ready to get out of the house for a little bit. Woo, it's cold out. It says it's 18 degrees Fahrenheit, which is probably warm to some of y'all right now up north and stuff. But we'll see if we can find some scrap, have fun, put out a video. Oh man, see how long this baby lasts in the cold. Let's go. I can't find the button on this one. Where's it at? Alright, let's try this again, guys. Still new at this GoPro. Oh, I got us something here. Hope this thing just don't start shutting off. Let's see what we got in there. I see some metal and whatnot, so. What's that big old chunk of stuff? A hole punch. It is cold, man. Bag of tools in or a box of tools. Let's get rid of the trash. Look at that torque wrench, man. I wonder if that dude works. That's a Craftsman. Huh, cool. That mirror's just plastic. Got some cases down here. I may have to get another grabber, the little reacher. This is the thing. Yeah, that one's empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. Alright, well, that's stainless or aluminum. Cool. See what's in this box. Alright. Let's pick up a little bit at least. Ew, gross. Alright, what else? I got anything in here? Nasty. Alright. Nothing too exciting. I'm going to be slow moving today because it's so cold. And I'm not going to turn the truck off either. We'll have totes for miles. Whew. Alright, guys, let's go. Need to get in there and flip that tire over. Alright, guys. Boy, next dumpster down. Gonna find some stuff today, maybe. I've never started this early on a Sunday before, so. there's a bird in there. You see? He flew out. It scared me a little bit. Lightweight stuff, but taking it all today. I want to hurry up and get a truckload because it's cold. Some of those camel packs probably ain't no good. Some cool vases and stuff. Cookie cutters. Man, I opened the deal, that scared me to death. There's a cool painting. I have to grab that painting maybe. Or is that only one scrap? Those are pretty neat. I ain't gonna take that though. Yeah, it's lines. The line was busted. Ignore the music. Let's see if we can get that painting out of there. I really don't have luck with paintings, but I usually just give them away to somebody. That's pretty cool. I don't think it's old or anything, but busted out a little bit. Yeah, probably shouldn't have grabbed it. Oh well, too late now. Alright. Snowing a little bit. Supposed to get flurries until this evening, and then it's supposed to snow all next week apparently. Alright, we got a mess of cords. I don't know if it's coaxial. Yeah, that was just coax. No, that's Ethernet. Some Cat 5 or whatever it's called. That's cool. A little bit better than junk wire. Sometimes it's, when I take it, it's higher than number 2, but number 2 insulated is a lot higher right now. So, or last time I went, I hadn't took. I got barrels. I got a couple barrels I gotta take in of number 2 insulated. I gotta fix it. Let's go see if we can find some more goodies. Flat boy. All right. Not much of not anything else. Ooh, look. A PS5 box. It's just air filters in there, but it's frozen to the bottom of the dumpster, so I thought it had something in it. It's like, no way, there's something in it. That's funny. My heart started beating a little fast. It's like, no way. No, I did not expect the PS5 to be in there, but maybe that like an old one or something. But anyways, strike out. Oh, look at that thing. That's interesting. Huh. I don't know what that is. Steamer vac type deal. A good looking pallet. here in case we get snowed in. We have something to take apart. Alright, I've seen some more blades back there. I'll have to get all 3 sticks to get them. The rest of the stuff, maybe. I'm gonna knock it over. Have to get it from over here. Oh, it's frozen to the bottom of the truck dumpster. Up. I'll grab those 2. If I can get them, I don't know. Almost. We got something. I almost walked away and I've seen it down there, so I'll get that son of a gun out of there. There we go. Office phone. There we go. Well. It made it in a box instead of the tote. Close enough. That's a cool piece of aluminum. I'll give that to my dad. Yeah. You know, I get excited about that. That's cool. Holy smokes. Oh, these are all cans. How cool is that? We beat last week's record. We found those 2 sacks. I'd never found 2 sacks. And granted, these were set out for somebody, so dang. It's about $8 or $9 there. No, it's probably $2 a sack. Notice how many sacks we get. It's about 2, 4. That's $12. Guarantee it. Just like that. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, by the way. Woo! Got a lamp back here if I can reach it. I don't know. Interesting looking thing. Found one of them not too long ago, actually. I'm definitely gonna have to do some rearranging. Anything else back there? Just kid stuff. There's a football, Razorback football. I'll grab it at least. Maybe. Oh, it's ripped. Ooh, pig. Little basket. All right. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, that's a heavy old CRT TV. If it was out where I could get it easier, I might pick it up today. But let's cut its tail off, as Scrappity says. Nothing else. But yeah, if somebody wants it, it's in this dumpster. Minus the tail. There's another one. Couple of shells. Brass case. Brass Ola. Anything in there? There's a hose right there. Maybe. Oh, there's two more right there. Man, somebody just shoot up in the air right here. Luker 9mm. That's what it said, I think. What's your? Oh, there's another two more. Holy smokes! There's another one. Oh, I think there's two more. Got like 10 shells, ain't we? Casings, not shells. Huh. Cool. I'll take the brass. Alright. See what this hose is about. Scrappy metal. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Oh man, no it's not. Man, how many am I missing? I can't see worth a darn, guys. I mean, not that they're super valuable or anything, but still brass. Pays, here locally it pays less than regular. I mean, it is brass, but for some reason they pay a little less. 20 cents a pound or so less on the brass casings from shells, ammunition, whatever. All right. Grateful. Oh. Some moldy strawberries. Ooh, what we got here? You know what? For being a gonna take that, even though it's like one of those fake wood dillies. I need to upgrade. It's in pretty good shape. Yeah. Oh. Shape. I'll use that. Honestly, anything else these folks threw away, it's worth a darn. Let's see a cord. Maybe. Oh, coaxial. There's the cord. Now that's some cool stuff. Let's set that in the goodie box. Seen something else in there. Let's see if I can get it. I seen the power supply. I think it made it. There's another one. I know, I'm taking it, getting rid of one thing at a time. It's not a lamp. Oh well. There's some aluminum. What? A dryer cord? Phew. Hitting home runs. This dumpster. Alright, you're a little dirty aluminum. You're gonna go in the back. Yeah, I actually need one of them. Double check this one. Holy shit. That's gonna What is this? Huh. Pyrex something. I think I need that for anything. Alright, well, let's go. There's a robin. Hey, Robin. Woo! Huh, thought I had y'all on. That's all you missed out on was a little light, can light. Oh well, on to the next. Alright guys, believe it or not, this battery's almost already dead. Well, I mean, it's pretty cold out. I'm going to have to order me some replacements, so may not get to see much more. Nothing to look at here anyway. So. But I do have my other GoPro with me, and I turned it on, my white one, and it's almost dead. So, well, I thought it was charged. So, anyways, we'll keep on scooping until we run out of batteries. So, I'll leave y'all on for this one. Anything? There's some aluminum blinds, it looks like. Yep, definitely aluminum. Oh no, I'm ripping the bags. Send me to jail. What's that one guy told me? I need to go to jail. I'm ripping the bags. Well, things are messy, aren't they? How many was in there? Alright, that's it. Nope, because that's frozen to the ground. Alright, let's go. Oh, alright then. Dude. Oh, that dude wasn't too heavy. I was parked here again. Alright. Get this thing home before it gets wet. I never did organize the truck the way I wanted. Oh well. Let's go. We're in. I thought that was something better. Oil filter time. So, and a dirty diaper. You don't want that. How did I miss? Twice. Oh. This thing's probably gonna die on this go. There's a battery terminal. Copper. Looks copper, don't it? Yeah. Some of them are extra oily. I don't know what my deal is. Maybe because it's cold and I'm shivering. I don't know. There ain't very many today. Oh, there's a brake pad. Sweet. There's another brake pad. Yeah. That wasn't one that I put it in there with the oil filter, so it's just it gets so dirty. You probably can't see. Probably need to open the other side, don't I? There's one. I didn't find nothing heavy to put them in today. I think. There they all are. I've got plenty of them now. Hey, that one's heavy. I got another tote in the back. I think I'm gonna clean them out today. So no metal on that one, man. That's all plastic. Leave that. That one's got metal. I think this trash can's only dumped once a week, so I probably do get all the oil filters. I'd say. Anyway, I could ask someone to save them, but what if they tell me to stay out of the dumpster? I mean, all they could say is no, I guess. But then y'all can't watch me dig for it. We're gonna have to get another tote from the back. There's a hat. Anybody want it? Got a nice oil finish. All right. It's gonna be heavy. Oh, it's not that heavy. I dumped this out without thinking. All them tools were in here. Alright. Other totes under here. Dang, we got three totes today. This might be our last stop for the day, guys. I really don't want to dig in there anymore. But I don't want to. I want to get what I can. Look at that. Chunk of aluminum. That's steel. Oh goodness, at the brake pads. Oh yeah, we'll pick them up all day long. Yeah, that battery died. Look at that chunk of copper right there in the road. Yeah, the battery died. Look, I figured it would. That's probably stainless. There might be some stuff in here. We'll take a gander. So this one I ain't got but like 30%. I thought it was charged, guys. That's my fault. But we got to get home quick anyway because it's starting to sleet and snow. And I don't want that desk thing to get tore up, so. Oh yeah, look, I'm gonna have to get in there. Oh, almost had it. Chunks. Alright. Well, that's empty. I don't have to get in there. I just got lucky with that one little piece. There's some Romex, I think. No, where's it go? There it is. Yeah, that's Romex. And there's skibbles, and there's a big chunk of Romex. I think that stuff's frozen in there to the bottom. There's some more stuff over here. Just a chunk of stainless or something. Maybe brass. Let me get my other thing. This ain't gonna... We're done with you, Mr. Stick. We'll get that chunk of stainless with this, I guess. Stainless or brass, I bet. I go crazy over brass. Yeah, that's brass. I see the yellow down inside of it. Cool. I think it could be something else. Wasn't that heavy. Oh, here we go. Cord and stuff. I know this ain't very fun to watch it. I don't know. It is cold, boy. I'm complaining a lot, ain't I? I don't think that's brass. That's pretty heavy. It looks brass, but I mean the brass color. Nope. Steel. Alright. Ain't worse sitting here getting this crap out. It is, I'm sorry. I just want to find something else. I don't like digging with the sticks that much. I know it's not fun to watch for y'all. Y'all see me get in and get it. But let's go get it. Maybe a cord here. Maybe a cord. What we got? What we got? It's not a cord. Short 2x4s. Nails in them. Alright. This place has been worked over. Let's go to the next. We ain't got much battery, and the roads are starting. Not the roads ain't getting bad, but the snow is starting to stick to the roads a little bit. Finish our route, and maybe we'll find something good. Boy, people gonna get snowed in on Valentine's Day. There's gonna be a lot of divorces today, or a lot of babies born about 10 months from now. It's supposed to snow all next week too, so I'll probably have all the kids at home virtual. There's no more snow days now since they've done that virtual stuff. That would have depressed the crap out of me when I was a kid. Snow days were the best days. All right, heading back home now. Let's hit some dumpsters there before this dude dies, and we'll see what we find. Yeah, microwaving. I don't like it. I don't like it. Now I like it. I seen something poking out. I skipped about half of the curbside because there ain't no point. Nobody has their cans out and it's still real early. Woohoo! What we got? A curtain rod. Plastic part to it. There's probably some good stuff here. Looks like it was. Oh well, we'll take the crumbs. Can you believe this is Arkansas? At least we don't have to worry about running into anybody probably. They're all scared of the snow. Are those aluminum? No. I can tell they're not. Alright. Wonderland now. So, let's go to the apartments. Alright. Take this at least. Can't take the shopping cart. Not gonna take it anyway. Taller sides now. Let's see if there's anything else over here. Just that shopping cart. Man, that's just all. Alright, let's go, guys. I kind of like it. Hey, how's it going, man?
It's going. What about yourself?
All right. You kind of startled me.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're all right.
Trying to be a naturally quiet person. So.
Yeah, man. I understand. So.
The one time that snow actually sticks is the one day of the year I don't need it to stick.
You got to work?
No, I'm trying to move out.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, but I got to work tomorrow, so that'll be fun.
Yeah.
We're moving up to Dover. So.
Oh, that's where my dad lives at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, good luck, man.
You have a nice day.
You too, brother. Good luck on your move, man. Dude, I don't know where that guy came from. He jumped up behind me and scarred me. Phew! All right, guys. That's it. I came back home. Finished. Done the most of it. So, that's what we found. I'm going to get this unloaded before it gets ruined. Thank y'all so much for watching. I had fun. Kind of want to get in the Blazer or the Suburban and go riding around after all the snow comes down. They're both four-wheel drive. But right now, I'm going to get that unloaded and then go in and get... Alright guys, that's it. The camera died there at the end, so... Bennett, tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I can't get nothing done around here. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I had fun. I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to get snowed in.